Today, we're going to uncover one of the most talked about topics in recent years, the law of attraction. This concept has gained popularity, but it still raises many questions. Does it really work, or is it just a theory? And if it does work, how can we apply it in our daily lives to achieve our personal goals? In this video, we'll critically analyze the law of attraction, exploring how it can impact our mental, spiritual, and physical health, and understanding how we can use it practically and consciously to transform our lives. The law of attraction is based on the principle that everything in the universe is energy, including our thoughts and feelings. The core idea is that like attracts like. This means that when we think about something frequently and with emotion, we start to attract situations, people, and opportunities that are on the same wavelength. Basically, whatever you focus your mind on expands, because your attention and energy align with what you desire. However, the law of attraction goes beyond just positive thinking. It involves feelings, actions, and a true shift in mindset. Let's start by looking at the positive side of the law of attraction and why so many people believe in it. When you think positively about something and believe it's possible, your brain automatically starts seeking ways to make that desire a reality. This phenomenon is known as the confirmation bias. In other words, our brain begins to see more opportunities related to our goal because we're more focused and alert to them. Thus, the law of attraction can work as a powerful mental tool for our well-being, lowering stress and anxiety levels, as it allows us to focus on what we want rather than on our problems. Another interesting point is the impact the law of attraction has on spiritual health. Believing that the universe is working in your favor creates a sense of peace and trust. Many people find that practicing the law of attraction is a way to connect with something greater, to feel that they are not alone, and that there is a purpose to everything. This faith and trust reinforce our spiritual health because they help us handle adversity better, promoting acceptance and gratitude. Our spirituality strengthens when we believe we have an active role in creating our reality. But is it really enough just to think about something to make it happen? It's important to understand that the law of attraction, by itself, isn't magic. It requires action and consistency. Just imagining isn't enough. The mind does indeed influence reality, but the real power lies in combining thought, emotion, and action. When we visualize something, we feel the emotion of already living it, but it's action that makes these opportunities real. For example, if you want to improve your physical health, just thinking about it won't be enough. You need to align your thoughts and feelings with real actions like healthy eating and exercise. One aspect that needs to be analyzed critically is the risk of frustration. Many people believe they can manifest anything with positive thoughts alone. But when results don't appear as expected, feelings of failure and disappointment arise. The law of attraction doesn't promise a life without challenges, and this must be clear. Obstacles are part of our growth and learning, and it's important to handle difficulties as opportunities for self-development. The true effectiveness of the law of attraction lies in resilience and the ability to keep believing, even in the face of setbacks. So, how do you apply the law of attraction practically in your daily life? First, start with clarity of intention. Before anything else, ask yourself, what do I really want? Specifying your desire is the starting point. Often, we have vague and conflicting wants, which makes manifestation difficult. Be clear about what you want and visualize it in detail. Imagine every aspect of what you wish to achieve as if you were already living it. The visualization should be accompanied by emotion. When you feel the joy and gratitude of already living what you desire, you emit a higher vibration that aligns with your intention. The second practice is gratitude. The law of attraction is intensified by gratitude because, by being thankful for what you already have, you shift your focus to abundance instead of lack. Start your day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. This daily practice helps raise your vibration and keep your mind positive. Gratitude creates an energetic frequency that attracts more positive experiences because you're reinforcing what you want to see grow in your life. Additionally, gratitude improves mental health by reducing stress and anxiety. Another important step is inspired action. After defining what you want and feeling grateful, you need to act. Inspired action is action that arises naturally, guided by intuition rather than by pressure or fear. For example, if you want to attract a new job opportunity, start acting. Update your resume, seek information, connect with people in your field. Action aligned with your desire is what makes your goal concrete. When you act confidently, opportunities appear in unexpected ways. A practice that helps strengthen the law of attraction is to avoid thoughts and words of negation. Instead of focusing on what you don't want, concentrate on what you do want. The language we use deeply affects our mind and our vibration. Phrases like, "I don't want to be stressed anymore," should be replaced with, "I want more peace and tranquility." This makes a huge difference in how your brain interprets and processes your intentions. Finally, it's essential to be patient and trust the process. The law of attraction requires time for intentions to manifest. Often, we want immediate results, but change takes time. Patience is an important part of the practice because it strengthens our confidence and teaches us to respect the pace of things. Trust that what you desire is on its way as long as you keep your mind, heart, and actions aligned. Over time, consistently applying the law of attraction, you'll notice how your life starts to transform. Mental health improves because you learn to focus on what's positive and handle challenges with greater resilience. Spiritual health strengthens with a sense of connection to the universe and a greater purpose. Physical health also benefits, as living with purpose and clarity reduces stress, improves sleep, and brings more energy to achieve what you desire. In summary, the law of attraction is a powerful tool that requires a balanced view. It's not just about dreaming, but about acting and trusting the process, maintaining a positive mindset and a readiness to overcome challenges. When applied in a practical and conscious way, it can truly bring significant changes to your life. If this video has brought you new perspectives, share it with someone else who also wants to understand more about the power of the mind and attraction. Here at Motivation You Need, we're on this journey together toward a more balanced, fulfilled, and connected life.